Meaning of Gunga Din.
Gunga Din.
Gunga Din.
Gunga Din.
Gunga Din. Gunga Din is a term that comes from a poem by Rudyard Kipling published in 1892. It refers to an Indian water-bearer who served the British Army during the colonial era. The phrase has since come to represent loyalty and self-sacrifice, especially in the face of adversity. The poem tells the story of the protagonist's admiration for Gunga Din's bravery and dedication, despite his lowly social status. The term has also been used in popular culture as a reference to someone who performs tasks or duties without complaint or hesitation.